This is Shanae from Unseen Beauty. I decided to vlog me going to Home Depot to do a couple projects. I want to get those cut to size. I got a project with that. Then I'm trying to find how to hang up this, so I'm looking for some screws. Welcome to my world with kids and DIYing. Sir, is there somebody to cut over there?
Yes, actually, over there.
Okay. Usually you have to hunt somebody down just to get something done. So, why Naya? Uh-oh, I think I'm going too far. One kid sleepy, one kid just looking around. One is dancing. Come on here, girl. Okay, let me see. I think somebody's coming. Okay, he's just walking away. Okay. Don't mind me, I just need something cut. I just need something cut. Let me come over here. Do you cut, sir?
You know what? You can get it more and we cut it for.
Okay, that sounds good. Wait, baby, he's measuring them for me to cut.
Yeah, you can get it like a 5.
Okay, let me see.
You got 1, 2, 3 right here, and then you got 2 more right here.
Okay, that sounds good.
That's fine. And
yeah.
This one, you want to cut it like this one, right?
Right.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah. This one.
All right, thank you. Get down, baby. All right, he's about to cut on the sides for me. Looking forward to doing this project. Yay. Uh-oh, he already knows it's about to make noise. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, he don't know I count down. We should have told him. Hold on, here you go. Okay, maybe not yet. 1, 2. Okay, he's not ready. Gotta put his code in. There you go. He's cutting it. Girl, you should look at it. Naya, leave him alone. Cut these pieces, so these are ready to go. Now he's cutting the 2 longer pieces I need. Alright, we ready to rock and roll. Thank you. Alright. Now to the next thing. This is all that I need to be on. Screws. Now let's see if I can find a helper. Oh, okay, I need some command strips too. Let me see, which ones do I need? There's so many choices. The possibilities are endless. Okay, let me stay focused and get the screws. Okay, we're gonna come back. Okay. Let's see. Wait, excuse me, sir. Can I get your help? Can I get your help?
Okay.
Yes, I have this piece here, and I wanted to know how I can hang it on the back, because it's nothing really to hang it with. So I was trying to see what kind of screws or what can I do to. Okay, so for this piece, it's gonna be for the nursery / Naya room. It doesn't have anything on the back, so I was trying to get something to hang it with. The man suggested this. Where's it? Right there. So I guess I'll get that since he suggested it. And these nails, you guys, are the bomb. These are picture hanging nails. And you see, if you screw it in, it stops, so you can just hang the picture. So these are the best nails to hang up things in your house. And it holds up to 100 pounds. It's worth the price. How much is it? It's $5.97. Alright, on to the paint. Here we are at the paint section. I always start looking at the paint chips. I just like looking at the different colors. For some strange arch reason.
Hey guys.
My favorite color is green. I love the shades of green. So pretty. Okay. Let's see.
What's kind of purple?
Oh yeah. Can't forget this. They know what this for.
Oh, there. Here comes the
There you go, y'all best friend right there. Let me put them in the basket. There you go, right there. And it's free too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, sweetie. Keep up with mommy. Okay, and another section I like to go to is the Oops paint. The Oops paint is paint that people either mix and they didn't like, so they put it on here for a cheaper price. See, this is like 50 cents. These are good to just keep and stock up if you have a project and you can use. They usually have more. They only have that orange, so I guess I'm not getting anything this time. Alright, let's see, where is the spray paint? Uh-oh. Oh, crap. Look, I can't bend over. Let me. That's as best as I can do. Uzziah, why you do that? You smiling? Uzziah. Now pick that up for mommy.
See?
Yes, purple.
It's the purple.
Her room reveal is coming soon. Her and her sister. Naya, get that for mommy. Thank you. Okay. Uh-oh. Keep up with mommy. Alright, I got my spray paint for my project. Okay, so while I was getting ready to check out, I noticed that the nails are like super long. So I'm like, how can that screw through here without showing? So of course, I came back to the aisle and a lady named Lori, she helped me. So now I'm going to hang it with this, which is a better option. So those my favorite nails, and then these hooks. She said just screw it to the back and then hook it, oh Lord, with these. So that's way better than the $20 option. You gotta talk to the right people when you come up in here, and you gotta know your stuff. Okay? Okay. You ready? Wait, I'm goofy. Wait, I can't do it like this. I can't do it. Alright, you guys, it's gonna wrap it up for this video. Remember, don't buy it, let me DIY it.